This is the flagship brand made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls, and it is available in the USA and Canada but only through their factory-authorized dealer network. All of the units use slotted panel construction which does not protect the condenser coil from damage due to lawnmower debris or hail, as well as units with louvered panels. They also have a high-quality powder paint finish which provides the ultimate protection from corrosion and harmful UV rays, which maintains curb appeal. The LX Series YHE units are basic heat pumps with a 8.2 HSPF heating efficiency. They use a demand defrost system for overall energy savings, but their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands in the basic category. The YZT models are a part of their Affinity series and offer two-stage models with a somewhat disappointing heating efficiency. They also feature Comfort Alert onboard diagnostics and their quiet drive system, which includes a swept wing fan, isolated compressor compartment, and a base that is made of composite materials. The YZV models are their entry in the ultimate category, and they offer a climate set feature which allows the installing contractor to quickly fine-tune equipment to the climate where the equipment is installed. Their charge assurance feature allows the contractor to quickly and accurately install and charge the YZV. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor failure, which has pretty much become the industry standard. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.